What if I told you, you don't need to pay for software ever again? Every month, people waste money on tools they don't actually need. Design software, video editors, writing tools, automation platforms. The subscriptions pile up, draining your bank account for features you barely touch. But what if I told you that by 2026, and even right now, free AI has already replaced them? And no, this isn't some far-off theory. This is happening today. I'm about to show you the exact tools people are using to save hundreds, even thousands of dollars, and build entire businesses without spending a dime on software. First up, let's talk about ChatGPT. We all know it can chat, but that's just scratching the surface. People are using the free version of ChatGPT to become entire content teams. They're writing professional blog posts, viral video scripts, persuasive emails, and even complex client proposals that land five-figure deals. Think about it. That's your writer, your planner, your creative assistant, and your chatbot. All replaced by one single free tool, one tool, dozens of jobs. It's not just about asking it questions anymore. It's about giving it tasks that you used to pay people or expensive software to do. For example, instead of struggling with writer's block for a marketing campaign, you can ask ChatGPT to generate 10 different ad copy variations in seconds. Instead of hiring a virtual assistant to schedule your social media, you can ask it to create a full month's content calendar, complete with captions and hashtags. The sheer versatility is staggering, and it's completely changing the game for solopreneurs and small businesses who need to operate on a tight budget. It's your new productivity superpower. Next, let's tackle design. For years, if you wanted professional graphics, you had to learn complex software like Photoshop or Illustrator, or pay a designer a small fortune. Not anymore. Designers might hate this, but Canva's AI tools are democratizing design for everyone. With its magic design feature, you can now generate entire presentations, social media posts, logos, and YouTube thumbnails just by typing a simple prompt. You don't need any design skills. You don't need to understand layers or vectors. You just need an idea. Describe what you want, and Canva AI builds it for you. There's no steep learning curve, and most importantly, no expensive monthly subscription just to crop a photo. It's perfect for creating stunning visuals for your business or personal brand in minutes, not hours. This isn't about replacing high-end designers for massive corporate projects. It's about empowering the average person to create beautiful, professional-looking content without the financial or technical barriers that have existed for decades. Now, for what might be the biggest money saver of them all, video editing. Professional video editors can cost hundreds of dollars a year. But this entire video you're watching, it could be made entirely with CapCut's AI features, without a camera and without any prior editing skills. Its text-to-video function can create engaging videos from a simple script. Its auto-captioning tool saves hours of tedious work. You can remove backgrounds with a single click and even generate AI characters. This is precisely why Faceless YouTube channels are exploding in popularity right now. People are creating viral content and building huge audiences without ever showing their face or buying expensive gear. They're leveraging free tools like CapCut to produce high-quality videos quickly and efficiently. The barrier to entry for becoming a content creator has never been lower. You can literally start a channel from your laptop today, using nothing but free AI tools to create, edit, and publish your videos. And what about visuals? Every content creator knows the struggle of finding the right images. Stock photo subscriptions are expensive, and you're often stuck with the same generic photos everyone else is using. This is where Leonardo AI changes everything. It's a powerful AI image generator that creates completely custom visuals instantly, for free. You type in a description of the image you need, no matter how specific or imaginative, and it generates a unique, high-quality picture in seconds. Best of all, you don't have to worry about complicated licenses or monthly fees. You own the images you create. Need a photorealistic image of an astronaut riding a skateboard on Mars? Done. Need a minimalist logo for your new coffee brand? No problem. It's an endless library of custom-made art and photos at your fingertips, saving you money and making your content stand out from the crowd. Finally, let's talk about the voice you're hearing right now. For a long time, if you wanted a professional voiceover for your videos, ads, or audiobooks, you had to hire a voice artist, which can be very expensive. But AI voice generators like 11 Labs have become so advanced, they now sound incredibly human. The free tier of 11 Labs gives you enough credits each month to create high-quality voiceovers for your projects. People are using these tools to narrate YouTube videos, create compelling advertisements, and even produce entire audiobooks without ever stepping into a recording studio. This technology opens up a world of possibilities for creators who may not be confident in their own voice or who need to produce content in different languages or accents. It provides a consistent, professional sound for your brand, all generated for free by an AI. So why does all of this matter? Here is the reality check. Companies and clients don't care if you use free tools or expensive paid software. They care about one thing and one thing only: results. They want a great design, a compelling video, or a well-written article. They don't ask if you used a $100 program or a free AI tool. That's why freelancers, YouTubers, and solopreneurs who are embracing these free AI tools are winning. They are delivering the same, if not better, results as their competitors, but with massively lower overhead costs. This allows them to be more profitable, more agile, and more competitive in a rapidly changing market. They are turning what used to be their biggest expense, software subscriptions, into pure profit. If you want to discover more free AI tools that actually replace expensive paid software, this channel is built exactly for that. I'm not here to give you hype or theories. My goal is to find and share only the tools that work, the ones that can save you money and help you build your business from the ground up. By subscribing, you'll get practical, actionable advice on the best free AI that can give you a real competitive edge. Remember, 2026 and the years beyond belong to the people who adapt early. Paid software is now optional. The revolution isn't coming. It's not the future. Free AI is already here. The only question is, are you going to use it? Thanks for watching.